Good morning, explorers. So time check, it's 3 a.m. in the morning. I am quite sleepy, but our flight is at 4 a.m. here in Terminal 2 as I am going to be heading with some friends to the southernmost province of the Philippines. I haven't informed many of my friends or family about this trip as I know they would be concerned, but that is the reason why I would want to share this trip with you guys. But for this particular vlog, I'll be covering the journey all the way from Manila. First things first, I am currently in Terminal 2 as we are taking a Philippine airline flight to Zamboanga, which is at 4 a.m. There are other options like Cebu Pacific that also flies to Zamboanga, but for the first leg of this flight, we're taking Philippine Airlines and then we will be changing over to Cebu Pacific for the second leg of this flight. At the end of this vlog, I'll be sharing with you guys the overall expenses of my trip and just updating you small bits and pieces if in case it is a trip you want to do in the future. For now, we're just waiting for boarding.
Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young again. Don't wanna chase highs when I'm too worn out, when I'm too worn out. So I'm never coming down, never coming down, never coming down again. I was born to be this high, born to be this high.
We have landed in Zamboanga Airport and I think the flight was approximately an hour and 20 minutes. While we were in the airport, we didn't realize we were in the same flight as the newly elected mayor of Zamboanga, and Benjo in the group went to say hi, so we spoke to him and then he invited us for breakfast. Our connecting flight is still at 11 a.m. So instead of us going to explore a little bit of the airport area, we're gonna go spend time with the newly elected mayor of Zamboanga. Morning sun sati. So sati is a famous type of dish here, no?
Really?
Yeah. Betty. Oh. Which one is sati or both of them are sati?
Yeah. So you eat together with them, make a sample.
The rice, that's the rice.
They also have this in Malaysia.
Okay.
In Malaysia they call it satay. So satay is different. Because satay you cannot eat the sauce. Because it's a little bit too much of chili, too much spicy, then plus the peanut. So usually the cost will be very high. But this one is different. So you can eat together with the beef
And the chicken.
Also chicken. But for us, Zamboangueño, we used to eat the sauce first before eating everything.
How is it then?
I love it.
Yeah. Are you eating are you not eating the meat yet?
I ate the barbecue pork beef. I think that's the chicken.
Okay, so
The
this
spices are so
the
different.
spices are
Yeah.
strong.
Mayor, I'm currently taking my master's degree sa AIM. It's Executive Master in Disaster Risk and Crisis Management. So, AIM.
Alright, so the mayor's staff dropped us back into the airport so we can leave our bags at check-in. And then what we're going to do now, since we still have a couple more hours, is we're going to explore a little bit of Zamboanga. And I think the first stop is we're going to be checking out a place called Barter, and apparently it's like a really old school shopping district. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, an interesting fact about Zamboanga is it's the only place in the Philippines and I think Southeast Asia that speaks Chavacano. Chavacano is a Spanish-based Creole language spoken in the Philippines. And if you go around, even in the airport, you can see that there are a lot of words written in Spanish. And for me, I learned basic Spanish when I was in school. So it's interesting to hear it and you know, still be in the Philippines. So anyway, now we are going to find a taxi and make our way to the shopping district, shopping area. Okay, it's a good thing it's really early in the morning because it is, I could already feel the heat.
Getting malong.
Malong po. Multi-use kasi.
So one good thing about shopping here, guys, is you are getting the goods, well, they are getting the goods directly from Malaysia. Yeah, I want to come back like on the last day, so we don't have to carry it as well. Like this is my husband's or Cress's favorite coffee. Yeah.
Madam, halong 100 lang.
Nagpila? 100 pesos for this. Namoy napamoy ubang color. Ibang colors.
Ibang kulay.
Okay.
Ibang kulay ng
So I'm asking Ate to sell me the items in Chabacano.
el malong di ciento, vende yung contigo, si quiere tu compra. Si mag-translate pa ako. Mag-translate ako ng Bisaya.
Bisaya na lang.
Bisaya na lang. Kani ang malong namo tag 100, ibaligyan ako sa imo ha, tag 100. Isa ka gatos pala ang Bisaya sa 100.
It's the time of the morning where we need coffee, and here's the coffee shop we are heading over today.
I haven't had a GPI in a while.
Alright, we found a jeep heading to the airport. So we are back in the airport now, and the jeepney cost us 12 pesos per passenger. It was around like it was less than 10 minutes drive, but it's crazy. Like living in Manila, I've never heard of 12 pesos for anything anymore. So you can really feel that we are, you know, it's still province vibes and province prices, which I really like. Probably somewhere down there, because I think they're still, yeah, they're still fixing it. So the flight was approximately 50 minutes from Zamboanga all the way to Tawi-Tawi, and you can see that the airport is still under construction because we are going somewhere away from the main area, and possibly I think the bags will be delivered somewhere here. While waiting for the bags, we're going to go to the tourism office and we are going to register, which is just literally beside the airport. So you can really see from their brochures, they are starting to position Tawi-Tawi as the emerging tourism destination. There's a lot to do here. You can see this office, the tourism office is new and you have to register, and they're also fixing the airport. So a lot has been done to increase people coming and visiting this beautiful place. So this is kind of like a grab and go, find your bag kind of setup.
Pwedeng change
Okay.
sa tabi.
Awesome.
Let's patch.
Got my bag. So the van we got is from the resort where we will be staying. It's going to be Tawi-Tawi. Wow, this resort is really, really nice. Oh gosh, it's really nice here, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys a beautiful room tour or resort tour when I'm ready. Alright guys, so from 4 a.m. all the way to 2 p.m. and I finally made it here to Tawi-Tawi Resort here in Tawi-Tawi Island. So this is one of the more luxurious resorts that you can find in Tawi-Tawi or even in Zamboanga. I'm pretty sure there's nothing like this even in Zamboanga, so I can't wait to check out the whole resort, but I'm gonna leave that for another vlog. So if you haven't followed me yet and you're interested to see my journey here in Tawi-Tawi, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updated on my latest videos. But I'm not closing the video yet. I actually said that I was going to share with you guys the prices of me traveling all the way here to Tawi-Tawi. So first thing is the Manila to Zamboanga flight is actually 11,680, and this is traveling around mid-year of 2025. The aircon's not working yet, I'm sweating so much. It should work later. And then from Zamboanga to Tawi-Tawi, it's 6,749 pesos. That's two-way. So a total round trip, total of 4 flights is 18,429 pesos. So I understand that people in the Philippines are complaining a lot that traveling within the Philippines is expensive. I mean, for me, I've recently gone to Vietnam, and I think the prices of the tickets to Tawi-Tawi is almost the same as going to Vietnam. And now let's go to the room rates. So you can see from this room that it's actually quite nice, and it's actually really beautiful. The per night here of this room, it's the premium deluxe single. It's 5,500 pesos. So I'll be staying here for 4 nights. So for 4 nights, for me, that would cost 22,000 pesos. So just to let you guys know, obviously there are other options in Tawi-Tawi, but for us, even though I am with a team of people who are working in the security business, and as you know, that people are still not very sure about Tawi-Tawi because of the history of this place. We are located at the very end of the Philippine map. We are closer to Malaysia than we are to any other city in the Philippines. So you can see that this place has been known to be a high-risk area. I am not going to be talking about safety or anything like that in this particular vlog, because for me, the best way to say it is, you should always check the news before booking your flight anywhere or traveling anywhere. Again, I'll be posting other vlogs in Tawi-Tawi. I'm actually very, very excited because I have not been vlogging for the longest time, except for my trip to Boracay, which was a wedding trip. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next vlog. Leave comments if you have any suggestions or you want to know more, because obviously I can't be covering everything in one vlog. But if you have questions, you can ask me and I will try my best to answer. So yeah, see you guys in my next adventure. Bye for now.